Yeah, SKF has been supporting the North American heavy-duty market for, I would say, about 100 years, right?
So new kids on the block.
New kids on the block. But we are really known as the wheel end guys.
Yeah.
Our first product that was probably used extensively and became a household name was the Scott Seal. It was under the CR, original Chicago Rawhide brand. That was the Scott Seal, and every oil axle had it. But we are a bearing company, and we also have an extensive range of wheel end bearings. And we talked about regionalization. One of the things that we've done very recently is added a very sizable factory in Mexico to make those bearings here in North America for the North American consumption.
That's exciting. That's exciting. Yeah. When I was selling parts, I always remember like the seals and the bearings. There was always some other guy that was the go-to brand name, and we see that changing in the market. So explain to us how SKF's solution for wheel end components is really different from the other options available in the market.
Yeah. One thing I'll say is that we are actually the OE today. If you take apart a tractor wheel end, the bearings in there and the seals in there, I would say more than 50% of the market is SKF. So we are the OE guy. SKF is known for highest quality, precision machining, high quality steels, and reliability. So our differentiation is dependability out there. And these trucks on the road really, uptime, reliability, and scheduled maintenance as opposed to unscheduled maintenance are the key things. Yeah. So that's how we differentiate, being that guy.
And so what you're saying is that this aftermarket option for the replacement parts gives people access to an OE quality level product that they can install.